Palazzo Versace Dubai at Jeddah Waterfront. Located in Jeddah Waterfront, less than 15 minutes away from Dubai International Airport and 8 minutes away from Burj Khalifa and downtown Dubai. Palazzo Versace Dubai is conveniently located along the shores of the historic Dubai Creek. Reminiscent of a 16th-century Italian palace, Palazzo Versace Dubai is a neoclassical masterpiece with subtle traces of Arabian architecture. Featuring a striking entrance, high ceilings, landscaped gardens, and a range of well-crafted Italian furnishings, the hotel is truly symbolic of the Versace lifestyle. On arrival, one is welcomed by the striking Pietra di Fiume design of the iconic Medusa and Greek decor. A walk through the five-star hotel's public spaces reveals several exclusive designs and fabrics from Versace, while the lagoon pools and reflection ponds complement the serenity of the lush gardens that surround the hotel, a true luxury retreat for leisure travelers. Every single piece of furniture and fabric that adorns the hotel's 215 hotel rooms and suites, and 169 residences, is designed and tailor-made by Versace exclusively for the Palazzo Versace Hotel in Dubai. Each of the hotel's 8 restaurants and bars is designed to have an alfresco terrace to reflect the heritage of palazzos, where the internal court was the informal space to meet, dine and enjoy the weather. At Palazzo Versace Dubai, we focus on curated dining where each venue is a tribute to Versace's signature work. Floor 9 of Dubai's delightfully contrasting Versace-themed restaurants and bars that grace the luxury hotel, and enjoy al fresco dining with views of the surrounding Dubai Creek. Ideal venues for your meetings in Dubai Gala Ballroom. The ultimate venue for the most perfect events or celebrations, our lavishly decorated Gala Ballroom can host up to 900 guests under the glittering centerpiece of a magnificent chandelier. The ballroom is exquisite in its decoration and has natural daylight and a lovely patio to complement this luxurious experience. Almost 1000 sqm of wellness typify the Versace Spa. Its marble floors of granito nero assoluto match the grey degrade mosaics and the white birch wood walls with mother-of-pearl details. award-winning spa in Dubai located on the ground floor west wing of Palazzo Versace Dubai. The spa has 7 treatment rooms, a spa suite, a nail studio and 2 Moroccan hammams. Both the ladies' and gentlemen's relaxation areas have plunge pools, steam rooms and saunas. Enjoy your wedding at our hotel in Dubai. Palazzo Versace Dubai offers cultivated venues with the finest facilities. Your wedding day will be backdropped with unobstructed views of the Dubai Creek in a setting that features a unique mix of Versace's Italian heritage with the local Arabian culture. Whether you choose to have your wedding indoors or outdoors, we are able to cater to your exclusive requests with our elegantly designed spaces, flexible planning and custom decorations that will allow you to have a completely personalized wedding day. The 3 outdoor pools are decorated with mosaic tiles and surrounded by palm trees and flowers. The plunge pools are in vibrant turquoise mosaics. The decor's motifs belong to the sea world, cornucopias interlaced with small seashells and embellished curlicues. Stay sun-kissed at Palazzo Versace Dubai with our conveniently located pools around the hotel. #Follow the sun. The beautifully landscaped gardens and unobstructed views of the Dubai Creek and skyline make this luxury hotel an ideal venue for weddings and social events in Dubai.